magnet, just so y'all can understand a little bit more. This is a giant piece of YBCO, and right now it doesn't do anything. It's called its normal state. So, y'all learned about superconductors. There's two important things about superconductors. The first one is that when they go into their superconducting state, they do have zero resistance. That's beneficial for us for many reasons. The obvious one, if y'all learned about it recently, I don't know if he covered it in the talk, is energy lines. We can actually turn them into possibly, in the future, power lines, to where we actually can send in a large amount of electricity, and we no longer have the problem of losing it from conduction. Because as it's going through, and you're going through a normal metal, you do have a very high resistance, and so you lose a lot. However, if we use the superconductor, we don't lose any on the other end, as long as we're operating below a certain current. The other thing is that it does repel the magnetic field lines, and that's how you end up with maglev trains, MRIs, and a lot of the other scanning technology that is available today. And while that cools down, I'll tell y'all a little bit about our lab. So, if y'all want, while you're playing with this, then I can get my stuff ready and we can do a transfer. Y'all can see. Actually, no one, usually it's just me that gets to see the liquid helium. So, there you go. This is the Meissner effect. And, yeah. It does, since it is a type 2, there's two types of superconductors. There's a type 1 and a type 2. This is a type 2. Type 2 means it cannot completely repel all the magnetic field lines, and that's why you can actually see it suspended. So, I'll let y'all actually stick your hand in liquid nitrogen. It's not an advisable thing to do, but you can do it.
Don't do it.
No, I'm not gonna put my finger.
Do what?
Mosquito. Mosquito. It's freeze mosquito.
We thought dry ice was cool at one point.
No.
Did you ask her?
Should have catch it. Oh, catch this from
Throw liquid helium.
liquid
Really
helium.
thought
Whoa.
that you couldn't?
Is that good?
What is
Hey,
that?
close your nose. Wow, it's so hard to push down on.
What y'all think it was? You want to die? 10 parts in 1,000 or something.
No, that was something else. That was, yeah.
Oh.
Thallium,
That's
10 parts
such
in
a,
1,000.
You inhale
Well, it's
You lose your hair.
5 ppm.
You go blind.